video I will show you amazing chatting application. You have to just simply type Taco Farm and just do search, and the last one you can see here is chat now. Just install the app and there you go. So this app, I'm opening it one more time so it will open this way. So these are my requests, this will be my chats and my friends, so I can send requests to other friends. So let's start from finding new friends. So I will click on find friends, this plane will go, and yeah, there you go. These are the users to whom I can make my friends. So I can send friend requests to anyone. There are lakhs of users here, so just like Facebook, and you can simply make friends. So download the app Chat now.